And we are back again mga baluga for another tutorial. So what's up mga baluga? It's your Sir JC. Welcome back to my channel. At kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, ay click mo na yung subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi ka updated sa ating mga bagong uploads and videos. jctorial. At bago po natin simulan ang ating tutorial, no, para mas masaya, since nakasubscribe ka na rin lang, don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos para natuto ka na, nakatulong ka pa sa iba. Yes! So napag-aralan na nga po natin yung solving quadratic equations by extracting the roots, factoring, completing the square, and quadratic formula. So, ilalagay ko po sa description box yung link ng mga videos na yan kung paano po mag-solve, okay? So, ang pag-aaralan naman po natin ngayon ay ang nature of roots. So, ang ginagamit po natin para makuha yung nature of roots ay ang discriminant. So, ito po yung formula ng discriminant. Okay, so meron po tayong 4 na kondisyon para malaman po natin yung nature of roots ng quadratic equation. Ito po yan. So, kung ang nakuha nating discriminant ay 0, the roots are rational and equal. Okay? Kapag positive naman yung nakuha natin, dalawa yung pagpipilian natin. Perfect square number and not perfect square number. Pag sinabi natin perfect square number, ito yan. Okay, so we have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Alam nyo naman na kung anong perfect square number. Saan galing yan? 1 squared kasi 1 times 1. 2 squared kasi 2 times 2, 4. Then 3 squared, 3 times 3, 9. 4 squared, we have 4 times 4, 16. 5 squared, 5 times 5, 25. 36, we have 6 squared, 6 times 6. And so on and so forth. Marami pa po yan, hindi lang yan. Okay. Example. 24. Perfect or not perfect square? So, not perfect square. Next. 100. Okay, perfect square. Kasi nga, 10 times 10. Next, 81. Perfect or not perfect square? Okay, so perfect square. Kasi nga, 9 times 9. 144. Perfect or not perfect? Okay, perfect pa rin. Kasi nga, 12 times 12. 65. Perfect or not perfect? Okay, not perfect square. Okay po. So, kapag ganito yung sitwasyon na nakuha natin, say for example, positive yung lumabas sa discriminant natin, kapag perfect square number, say for example, ang nakuha natin ay 4, and 4 is a perfect square number, ibig sabihin, the roots are rational and not equal. Okay? Kapag not perfect square number naman, say for example, 24, and 24 is not perfect square number, then the roots are irrational and not equal. Okay? Kapag negative naman yung nakuha nating discriminant, say for example, negative 1, since negative number ito, ibig sabihin, no real roots. Okay? Okay, so mag-identify muna tayo ng A, B, and C natin. So, kung hindi nyo pa po napapanood yung illustration of quadratic equations, so doon nyo po makikita kung paano po tayo kukuha ng A, B, and C natin doon sa ating quadratic equation. So, nilagay ko po yung link sa baba ng video na to. Okay, so ano nga po yung standard form? We have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, dito pa lang makikita mo na ano yung A natin? Yun ay 1. Kasi kung wala kayo nakikita, automatic na yun ay 1. Ang B natin ay 10. Next, ang C natin ay 25. Okay po? Next, number 2. Ang A natin ay 3. Ang B natin ay negative 4. And ang C natin ay 5. Okay? Number 3, hindi pa siya naka-standard form. Kailangan lipat natin yan sa kabila. So, 6x squared plus 8x from negative magiging positive 2 equals 0. Okay, so naka-standard form na siya. Ang A natin ay 6, ang B natin ay 8, at ang C natin ay 2. Okay po? Okay, so gamitin naman natin yung discriminant. So, bago natin kunin yung discriminant, kunin muna natin yung kanilang roots. Then, i-compare natin mamaya. Okay po? So, ano pong pwede natin gamiting method para makuha natin yung kanyang roots? Okay, yung pinag-aralan natin, meron tayong 4. We have extracting the roots, factoring, completing the square, and quadratic formula. Okay, pwede natin gamitin yung factoring. Okay, so ay nasa dulo natin 6. Ano yung factors ng 6 na kapag pinag-plus natin ay 5? Yun ay 3 at saka 2. Okay? Since positive, magkaparehong positive. Okay? So, 3 times 2, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. Then, equate natin yan sa 0. X plus 3 equals 0. Then, yung pangalawa, x plus 2 equals 0. Then, x is equal to, lipat ito sa kabila, magiging negative 3. 0 minus 3. So, x is equal to negative 3. Next, x equals 0. Lumipat to sa kabila, magiging positive, magiging negative 2. Then, x is equal to 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Okay, so yung roots natin, we have negative 3 and negative 2. Okay, so gamitin natin yung discriminant para makita natin kung saan siya magpo-fall. Okay, so may clue na tayo kasi they are not equal, di ba? Magkapareho ba sila? Hindi. So, ibig sabihin they are not equal. So, meron na tayong choice dito. They are not equal. Okay, pero rational ba siya or irrational? Okay, rational siya. So, ibig sabihin papasok siya dito. The roots are rational and not equal. Okay? So, paano natin mapapatunayan yan? Gamit yung discriminant natin, we have b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so yung b natin, we have 5. Yung c natin, we have 6. Yung a natin is 1. b squared, we have 5 squared minus 4. Ano yung a natin? 1. Then, ano yung c natin? We have 6. Then 5 squared is equal to 25. 4 times 1, 4 times 6, 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. So, ang discriminant natin ay 1. And 1 is a perfect square number. So, ibig sabihin, positive na siya, perfect square number pa siya, then the roots are rational and not equal. Okay, paano pag binigay sa inyo mismo yung values ng A, B, and C natin gaya nito? Okay, mas maganda kasi nga, hindi mo na kailangan hanapin pa yung values ng A, B, and C kasi binigay na siya mismo. So, ang gagawin mo na lang, isa-substitute na lang natin siya sa B squared minus 4AC para malaman natin yung nature of roots. Okay, so paano naman kapag ang tinanong sa inyo, ano naman yung quadratic equation nito gamit yung A, B, and C natin? Madali din yon kasi ang ating standard form naman ay ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, ano yung a natin? 2. Papalitan mo lang. Yung b natin, 10. Plus, yung c natin, 8 equals 0. Ganun lang kadali yon kung hinahanap nila yung quadratic equation natin. So, 2x squared plus 10x plus 8 equals 0. Pero paano pag sinabing find the nature of roots? Siyempre, ang gagamitin natin yung formula natin. B squared minus 4AC. Okay? Since binigay na sa inyo yung values ng A, B, and C, i-substitute na lang natin. So, ang solution, then ano yung B natin? 10. 10 squared minus 4. Ano yung A natin? 2. Times, ano yung C natin? 8. Next, 10 squared ay 100 minus 4 times 2, 8 times 8, 64. And 100 minus 64 is 36. Positive siya. At perfect square number, dahil galing siya ng 6 times 6, perfect square number ito. So, ibig sabihin, the roots are rational and not equal. Ganun lang po kadali yun. Okay po? So, identify your A. Ang A natin ay 1. B is equal to negative 6. Ang C natin ay positive 9. Okay, so let's use our discriminant. We have B squared minus 4AC. Okay, so let's substitute. Our B is negative 6 squared minus 4. Ano yung A natin? We have 1 times your C, 9. Okay, then let's solve. Negative 6 squared. Negative 6 times negative 6 is 36. Minus 4 times 1, 4 times 9, 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. So, ibig sabihin, 0 yung nakuha nating discriminant. Ito siya. So, ibig sabihin, the roots are rational and equal. Okay? Okay, so number 4, we have 2x squared plus 5x equals negative 4. So, kung papansinin mo, wala pa siya sa standard form. So, dapat ilipat natin yung constant term sa kabila. So, we have 2x squared plus 5x. From negative, magiging positive 4 equals 0. So, naka-standard form na siya. Let's identify your A, B, and C. So, your A is equal to 2. B is equal to 5. And C is equal to 4. Okay, let's apply that on our discriminant. We have B squared minus 4AC. Your B is equal to 5 squared minus 4. Ano yung A natin? 2 times ano yung C natin? 4. Then, 5 squared, 5 times 5, 25. Minus 4 times 2, 8 times 4, 32. Then, 25 minus 32 is equal to negative 7. And negative 7 is a negative number. So, ibig pong sabihin, there are no real roots. Okay ba? Okay, what if we have the given problem? The roots of 5x squared plus kx plus 5 equals 0 are rational and equal. Find k. So, hanapin natin yung ating k. Okay. So, pag sinabi nating rational and equal, so ibig pong sabihin, ano yung value ng discriminant natin? So, dapat yung discriminant natin is 0. So, ang solution natin dyan, ano na nga ba yung formula natin sa discriminant? We have b squared minus 4ac. Okay? So, dapat equal daw siya sa 0. So, ibig sabihin, itong discriminant natin na to, dapat daw siya ay 0. Okay po. So, i-identify muna natin yung A, B, and C natin dito. So, ang A natin ay 5, ang B natin ay K, at ang C natin ay 5. Okay, so let's apply that on our formula. So, yung B natin, we have K. So, K squared minus 4. Ano yung A natin? We have 5. Times, ano yung C natin? 5 din equals 0. So, K squared minus 4 times 5, 20. Times 5, 100 equals 0. Since we are solving for K, dapat ilipat natin ito sa kabila. So, magiging K squared equals, from negative 100, magiging positive 100. So, 0 plus 100. So, K squared equals 0 plus 100 is simply 100. Okay, let's continue. So, K squared equals 100. So, anong gagawin na natin dito? Okay, para matanggal yon, anong gagamitin natin? Okay, square root. So, square root both sides. Cancel na to. So, K is equal to square root of 100. We have, okay, positive and negative 10. Okay, so ibig sabihin, dalawa yung options natin doon. Pwedeng 5x squared plus 10x plus 5 equals 0 kasi positive yung 10. Tapos yung isa naman, pwede ring negative 10. So 5x squared minus 10x plus 5 equals 0. So ang quadratic equations natin, pwedeng ito at pwede rin ito. Okay po? Okay, so bibigyan ko kayo ng exercises. I-pause nyo muna yung video na to. Then kuha kayo ng papel. Sagutan ninyo ito. Kunin nyo yung kanyang nature of roots gamit yung ating discriminant. Then balikan nyo lang yung video na to kapag i-check nyo na yung inyong mga sagot. Okay? So do it now.
One eternity later.
Okay, so let's check your work. So we have number 1, 3x squared plus 10x minus 2 equals 0. So let's identify your A, B, and C dahil naka-standard form naman na siya. We have A equals 3, B equals 10, and C equals negative 2. Okay, so we have B squared minus 4AC. So ang B natin, we have 10. So 10 squared minus 4 times A is 3. C is equal to negative 2. So 10 squared is 100 minus 4 times 3, 12 times negative 2, we have negative 24. So, hindi pwede yung ganito, kaya lalagyan natin ng parenthesis. So, double negative siya, magiging positive. So, 100 plus 24. So, we have 100 plus 24 is 124. 124 is positive, pero ang tanong, perfect square ba siya or not perfect square? Okay, not perfect square. So, ang sagot natin dito ay, the roots are irrational and not equal. Okay, next. So, number 2, 2x squared minus 3x equals 2. So, hindi pa siya naka-standard form. Gawin muna natin siyang standard. So, 2x squared minus 3x from positive magiging negative equals 0. Then, let's identify your A, B, and C. Your A is equal to 2. B is equal to negative 3. And C is equal to negative 2. Then, let's apply that on our discriminant. We have B squared minus 4AC. So, we have B, we have negative 3 squared minus 4 times ano yung A natin? 2 times your C, negative 2. Then, negative 3 squared, negative 3 times negative 3, 9, minus 4 times 2, 8, times negative 2, we have negative 16. So, meron tayong double negative dito, so magiging positive, plus 16. So, we have 9 plus 16, we have 25. So, 25 positive siya. And perfect square number kasi nga 5 times 5. So ibig sabihin, the roots are rational and not equal. Ayan. So ganun lang po kadali ang pagkuha ng nature of roots natin gamit po yung discriminant na b squared minus 4ac. Okay po? So sana marami po kayong natutunan sa video na to. At kung meron po kayong gustong matutunan na topic at gusto nyo pong ituro ko po dito, mag-iwan na lang po kayo ng comment dyan sa comment section para mabasa po natin at magawan po natin ng future videos. Yan! Thank you for watching! Hanggang sa muli!